In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images for the web using the best settings in GIMP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want their images to load quickly on websites without compromising too much on quality. Let's dive into it and transform your images for the web effortlessly. To start with, open the image you wish to export in GIMP. Once your image is ready, navigate to the menu at the top of the screen. Hover your cursor over File and select Export As from the drop-down options. You'll find this option more beneficial than Save As because it allows for choosing the specific file format and customizing export settings, which is crucial for web optimization. Next, it's important to choose the appropriate file format. Depending on your image needs, you'll primarily choose between JPEG and PNG. JPEGs are generally your go-to for photographs or images containing many colors and gradients. On the other hand, PNGs are excellent for images with transparency, or when you need a clear, crisp representation of graphics and logos. If you decide on JPEG, you'll want to focus on balancing quality and file size. Once you've selected JPEG, a new dialog box will appear, allowing you to set the quality of your image. For web purposes, I recommend setting the quality slider somewhere between 70 and 85. This range helps maintain a good enough quality that your visitors won't notice any significant distortions or artifacts, yet it reduces the file size, aiding faster load times on web pages. Remember, higher quality increases the file size, so find that sweet spot where the image still looks good, but loads quickly. Should you choose PNG as your format, there's a slightly different consideration. PNG files inherently tend to be larger than JPEGs because they retain more quality and detail. Therefore, enabling compression is vital. Don't worry, enabling compression here doesn't mean you're reducing the image's quality. Instead, it's a method of reducing file size without losing significant image detail. In the export dialog, simply ensure that compression is enabled. This action minimizes file size while keeping the vital details and transparency intact, making it advantageous for web use. Once you've configured the settings for either format, you're set to export. Confirm your choices and hit the Export button. Your image is now ready, optimized for fast loading on the web, while keeping it visually appealing. And there you have it. A straightforward way to export images in GIMP for the web using either JPEG or PNG formats. Feel free to revisit any of these steps whenever you need a refresher. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy image editing.